So in previous session, students, we have discussed about the angles in trigonometric functions and their units. So welcome back today for the discussion of some questions related to them and some important terms like coterminal angles we have discussed in previous session, but one more important thing is there, like next coterminal and previous coterminal angles. So clearly name itself suggests that next coterminal means next coterminal of an angle theta is equal to 2 pi plus theta, 4 pi plus theta, 6 pi plus theta, and so on. Or we can say 2n pi plus theta and so on. This we have used in this we have used the property of even numbers. 2 pi, 4 pi, 6, 2, 4, 6 are even numbers and they are denoted by n, where n belongs to natural number only. Natural number means positive integers 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 pi, 4 pi, 6 pi all are the next coterminal angles of theta. So in question number 3, the next 3 coterminal angles we have to find. So and one more thing which we have to remember, that either 2n pi plus theta or we can write 360 degree into n plus theta. They are the same thing. 2 pi value is 360 degree and n is there. So 360 degree n plus theta. So if the angles are given in degree, we will find the next coterminal angles in degrees only by adding 360 degree one by one. So we have to find next 3 coterminal angles. So 30 degree equals to 360 degree plus 30 degree, that is 390 degree. They are same. Coterminal angles means the same angles. Again, this 390 degree plus 360 degree, that is 750 degree is the next coterminal angle. And one more, 750 degree plus 360 degree, that is 1110 degrees. So these 3 are the next coterminal angles, next 3 coterminal angles of 30 degree. Similarly, if the question is related to pi, like this 3 pi by 4, so we have to write the answer in terms of pi only. Don't change it to degree. 7 pi by 2, so we have to add 2 pi only. To get the next coterminal angle, we will add 2 pi. So 2 to the 4 plus 7, 11 pi by 2 is the first coterminal angle. 11 pi by 2 equals to, or you can write like this, first coterminal angle. Then add 2 pi again to this 11 pi by 2. 11 plus 4, 15 pi by 2 is the next coterminal angle, and again add 2 pi to this 15 pi by 2. So 19 pi by 2 is the next coterminal angle. All of them are equal to 7 pi by 2 coterminal angles. Similarly, in question number 3G, if you have to find next coterminal angle to 3G, 3G is 39 pi by 4. So first you add 2 pi. 2 4s are 8 plus 39, 47 pi by 4. Again 2 pi plus this 47 pi by 4. 4 to the 8 plus 47, 55 pi by 4. Again 2 pi plus 55 pi by 4. 2 4s are 8 plus 55, 63 pi by 4. All these are the coterminal angles to 39 pi by 4. To get the next coterminal angle, we always add, and to get the previous coterminal angle, so write these things in your notes also about the definition of next coterminal angle by adding 2 pi, 4 pi, 6 pi, which 2 and pi. And previous coterminal angle is obtained by adding minus 2 pi minus 4 pi. Previous coterminal angles to theta are given by minus 2 pi plus theta, minus 4 pi plus theta, minus 6 pi plus theta, and so on. And in short, we can write minus 2 and pi plus theta, where n belongs to natural number again. So if n belongs to natural number, minus 12 will be the negative integer, like minus 2 pi. If you write n equals to 1, it will give minus 2 pi plus theta. If you write n equals to 2, 2 2s are 4, minus 4 pi plus theta. If you write n equals to 3, minus 6 pi plus theta, and so on. And in terms of degree, it will be 360 degree into n plus theta, where n can be 1, 2, 3, or 4. So if it is given that 3360 degrees is an angle, sorry, this question 4, 1880 degrees is an angle, and we have to find previous coterminal angle. So 4a, (1880 and we have to find the previous coterminal angle. So we add minus 360 degree plus 1880, so it gives 1520 degree. Again, we add minus 360 degree to this, 1520 degree. So it is 1160 degree. Again, if we add minus 360 degree, it is again giving 800 degree. So these are the previous coterminal angle, and if they are in terms of pi, like this 27 pi by 4, or if we discuss the same question, 7 pi by 2. We have to find previous coterminal angle, D, 7 pi by 2. So we will add minus 2 pi plus 7 pi by 2. 7 pi by 2 equals to 3 pi by 2 minus 2 pi plus 3 pi by 2 equals to minus 4 pi plus 3 pi minus pi by 2 minus 2 pi minus pi by 2 equals to minus 5 pi by 2. All these are the coterminals to 7 pi by 2. Okay. Next is, if you have doubts about the negative, convert the following angles to their coterminal angles so that they lie between 0 degree to 360 degree, or 0 to, this must be 2 pi, not pi. You know that 360 degree equals to 2 pi. It is by mistake typed as pi. So convert the following angles to their coterminal angles so that between 0 degree to 360 degree, or 0 to 2 pi, whatever the case is. Means whatever the case means, if they are in degree, we have to convert them to degree, and if they are in radian, we have to convert them to radian between 0 to 2 pi only. So question number 5a, 3360 degree. 3360 degree, and we have to convert it in such a way that it must lie between 0 degree to 360 degree. So first of all, divide this 3360 with 360. So we get 36 9s are 3240, and on subtracting it is giving 90. Okay, so 90 is the angle. First we write 9 into 360 degree. We know that this 360 degree is nothing but equal to 0 degree. This is 0, and again if complete the round we come back to the same point. So 0 degree, 360 degree, then again 720 degree is also at the same point. That's why this theta becomes 360 degree plus theta, 720 degree plus theta, 1080 degree plus theta. All are the coterminous angles or the equal angles, we can say. But instead of saying them in equal angles, we say coterminous angle. They are the same. So if we use dividend equals to quotient into divisor, 360 degrees divisor, 9 is quotient, 3360 degrees dividend. So dividend equals to quotient into divisor plus remainder. Now this 360 degree we have already discussed that is equivalent to 0. So 0 plus 90 degree, that is 90 degree only. So this 3360 degree is coterminous with 90 degree, which lies between 0 degree to 360 degree. Again 2900 degrees there. So first divide it by 360 degree, and whatever will be the remainder will be the answer in this 2900 degree. So if you 36 we know that 2880 and 20 degree will be the remainder, and this 360 degree is 0 plus 20 degree. So the coterminous angle to 2900 degrees only 20 degree. Hope you must have understood this. Okay. So in terms of pi, how to convert it in terms of pi? Like this, 27 pi by 4. Which question is this? I. Question number 5I. 27 pi by 4. So how to convert it? You know that 2 pi means 360 degree. So in place of dividing it by 360 degree, this time we will convert it to a mixed fraction in such a way that the whole number part must be an even number. 27 pi by 4, we know that 4 6 are 24. So 6 whole 3 by 4 pi. So we can write 6 pi plus 3 pi by 4. 6 pi plus 3 pi by 4. Now this 6 pi is the multiple of 2 pi, and the remainder is 3 pi on pi 4 only. 6 pi is equivalent to 0, as we know that 0 is there, and if we round it once, it is 2 pi. So 0, 2 pi, all are equivalent. Again 4 pi, next is 6 pi. So all these are equivalent. So 6 pi becomes 0. So the answer is 3 pi by 4. So the coterminal angle which is lying between 0 to 2 pi and coterminal to 27 pi by 4 is 3 pi by 4. Similarly, if we discuss 5J, it is minus 38 pi by 3. So first of all, the procedure will be same. 38 by 3, change it to mixed fraction. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 2 by 3. So minus is there, we can write 12 pi plus 2 pi by 3. So it is minus 12 pi minus 2 pi by 3. This is also equivalent to 360 degree in clockwise sense, minus 360 degree or minus 2 pi. So all the multiples of minus 2 pi and minus 2 pi will be considered as 0, and the remainder is minus 2 pi by 3. Now we require only the positive, either 0 to 360 degree or 0 to 2 pi. So we will add 2 pi to it, so that it becomes positive. 3 to the 6 minus 2, 4 pi by 3. So the co-terminal angle to minus 38 pi by 3 will be 4 pi by 3. Hope you must have understood this. This is minus 38 pi by 3. Okay. Similarly, this minus 79 pi by 4. Or if we write minus 1665 degree, minus 1665 degree, this time we will divide it by 360 only. 364 ja 1440. So the remainder is 265. So it is minus 4 into 360 degree minus 265 degree, or you can write inside the bracket. Then open the bracket, minus 4 into 360 degree minus 265 degree. This 360 degree is equivalent to 0. So 0 minus 265 degree, and to convert it to positive so that it will lie between 0 to 360 degree, we will add 360 degree to it. 360 degree minus 65 degree, 265 degree will be 95 degree. So the co-terminal angle, which is coterminous to minus 1665 degree and lying between 0 to 360 degrees, 95 degree. So hope you all must have understood this theory of coterminous angles and how to use them. We will discuss in next sessions. And if anyone has doubt, you can write in chat box.